Alright guys, as you can see, we're working with oil pumps today. We have a used oil pump, we have new oil pump, and then we have another used oil pump. This one here has got a little bit of wear to it. You can see, let's see, right, you can see that little dark spot there, and a few little dark spots there. And then you can see how it's getting some spots. Let's see if you can see it right there. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. You don't really feel a big ridge in there. If you look at the gears, you can honestly see which side goes which direction. We have a little bit of scoring right here, but not bad. Okay. You know, you could actually get some 2000 grit sandpaper and on a flat surface. And you can work that over. Same thing here. It's got a little bit of wear. I mean, that is on the verge of needing to be replaced. But if push came to shove, this one could be reused. Now, this one here is a different story. This one here, again, this doesn't look too bad. On this side, however, there are some pretty deep grooves in that case half. And then here's what really tells the story. Let's see if I can get that to focus. Okay, I'm going to try to manually focus this so you can really see it. Let's see if I can. There it is. Right there. Now that is a deep groove. And that would need to be thrown away, replaced. Alright, same thing with this one. Right there, you can see all along through that line right there. That's a pretty deep groove. Alright guys, let's start putting this pump together. First I'm going to start by putting a little bit of Zoom oil on that. I guess you call that the outer pump housing. Drop your outer ring in place. Put a little bit more zoom. You never can have too much zoom. And drop your inner gear in. Okay. Now, I've already cleaned all the holes up and sprayed them down with acetone. So, and I also recommend getting a little small brush. Now, this is brass. And just going over all your screws, get all the trash out of them. Then pick you up some just blue Loctite, Threadlocker, whatever you want to call it. Now, I've already shook it up before we ever started the video, and I like to shake it up a little bit during. It doesn't take much. Just a little bit. Alright, now we'll take our inner pump half and we'll match it up to our outer. Like so. We'll match triangle up to the triangle, rectangle to the rectangle, and then your holes should line up just right. Depending on your pump, it could be just regular Phillips heads. These are T15 Torx. Now when you tighten these up, you want to go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's that. So there you go. It's all put together. Just don't forget, put a fresh O-ring in before you install it. There it is. Well, before I close out, I wanted to show you that this CRC throttle body and intake cleaner is some good cleaner for small parts, and if you're just doing a few, you're cleaning up a few parts. I mean, you could use brake cleaner just as well. The main ingredient in this stuff is acetone, and acetone is a good cleaner. But if you're doing a lot of parts, like an entire, you're cleaning up the entire transfer case, components, just go get you a gallon container at the local hardware store. You'll be way better off. Just make sure that you pick up a good sprayer. Now, these ZEP sprayers, I think, are the best on the market. I've tried dozens of different ones from Walmart, from Sam's, from Costco's, different ones. They don't hold up to the harsh chemicals like the ZEPs. So do yourself a favor, get a ZEP. If you liked the video, show us you liked it by hitting that like button. Don't forget, subscribe. We've got a lot more videos coming. Be safe, be good. We'll see you later.